subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Infinix has launched its new affordable Hot series phone in India called Infinix Hot 40i with Magic Ring feature. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Infinix Hot 40i features a 6.56-inch HD Plus IPS display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 89.7% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by UnisOC T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Infinix Hot 40i sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.6 aperture, alongside the unspecified auxiliary lens. At the front it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box, with XOS 13 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.6 by 75.6 by 8.3mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Infinix Hot 40i has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 8,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 9,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from February 21st, Horizon Gold, Palm Blue, Starlit Black, and Starfall Green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Infinix Hot 40i smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.